Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale Aprilia Shiver 750. Absolutely lovely is this. Aprilia racing colours, the Akrapovic cans. Brilliant fun to ride these, tons of torque, really revvy. Really nice bike these. Got a nice Puig screen on it. Mega fun these. Just do a bit of commuting or just sort of back lanes, whatever you want to do really. Colour coded bellypan on there as well, again in the same colours. I said the Akrapovic cans. The 2010 Honor 60 plate. We'll give it a start up for you. Only done 11,346 miles, a super low mileage. It is lovely. Come down and see it for yourself at Jordanbikes or give us a call.